Mud flaps are one of those simple upgrades that prevent a ton of frustration later. Rocks, slush, and road grime get kicked up constantly, especially on the Tesla Model Y's wide tires. Without them, you're sandblasting your paintwork every drive. A lot of folks don't realize how much damage the wheel wells can take in winter, especially up here in the Pacific Northwest, where rain and debris are constant actors in your vehicle's slow erosion. Mud flaps cut that wear down by at least 60%. Tesla's Model Y for 2024 didn't change the wheel arch design, so the same mud flap fitment applies. That also means it's an insanely easy DIY. You could do it in your garage or even a parking lot without a lift. Here's what you need. A set of mud flaps, I use the ones from Basenor, a Phillips screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and about 20 minutes of your life. That's it. No jacks, no special tools, just basic homeowner energy. Start with the front wheels. Turn the wheel fully inward, left for the driver's side, right for the passenger. This gives you space to work without removing the tire. Pro tip, do this step first before pulling out any screws. You'll see 2 plastic push clips and 1 factory screw in the wheel liner. Use your trim removal tool to gently pop the clips out. Don't muscle it, these things are easy to break. Save them, you'll reuse at least 1. Now line up the mud flap with the wheel arch. You'll know which one goes where because they're slightly molded for each side. Hold it up, and you'll see the factory holes match right up. It clicks into place like it belongs there. Use the included screws from the mud flap kit. These are usually wider self-tapping hardware that gives a snugger fit. Tighten them by hand. Don't overdo it. You just need them snug to the panel, not buried like treasure. Repeat the same steps for the other front side. Don't skip this process, even though it feels redundant. Fitment can be slightly off if you rush the alignment. I've seen people crack their liner clips by forcing them into place. The rear mud flaps take the same basic idea. The only difference is they don't turn inward like the front wheels, so you'll need to reach in more awkwardly. Still, you don't need to raise the car, just crouch like a toddler. For the rears, you might encounter more road grime caked around the liner. Clean that off before installing, or it'll block proper flush mount. This is the most common mistake I see, people sealing dirty plastic to dirty plastic. After installation, step back and check the alignment. A good install sits flush and looks almost OEM. You should barely notice the flaps unless you're inspecting them. But your paintwork will thank you. Winter salt, beware. Scott here. I did this in Portland on a very soggy Saturday with 0 problems, no rattles, no weird gaps. And honestly, the Model Y looks better with them. Less soccer dad, more rally sleek. Just that tiny edge of utility.